Today's job is to just make an alteration to this script. I recorded a video yesterday, and during editing I noticed a bug in this thing. Now it's just a simple bug which would make a mess of a nuic string during processing, which is just take a moment to fix it. But I was thinking that the script I have to actually check the nuic string after processing should detect that. So that's what I want to do today. Now it kind of does. If you look at this is had all the terminal labels pulled out of the nuic string, and what's remaining is only left brackets. So this is only open brackets. So this is kind of unbalanced, and that's what the bug was. It was well, I can show you what the bug is. Let's get the script first. So this we're just removing. So this one's branch length, and this one is node support. The regular expression searches for the item between the first two / and replaces with what's between the second two /. So you can put various characters in here. Anything in the square brackets, you specify a number of alternative characters to search for. And searching for 0 to 9 /stot, which is because floating point number, and then multiple instances. But what I should do is just replace here, because I actually want to I'm specifying close bracket because that's where you get the node support after that, but I still need to have the close bracket, so that should be there. So if I run this should fix that minor bug. Yeah, so this is now balanced. But the point being that this, let's just we'll reinstate this bug. And so check terminals should detect this balancing problem. So let's go find check terminals, and we'll just modify this to search for by balance. I mean nuic format. A node is denoted by a pair of parentheses. Okay, so this should be detecting balance. Okay, so what I think I'll do is I've made another copy of the input tree, and I'll just I'll just pull out all the splits from this and see what we've got. Let's just see what happens when we maybe this is not specific enough. Yeah, okay, good. Yeah. Okay, so what we've done here is we've used a while loop, so that will just keep going while this regex is making matches and replacing. So it, I mean, let's print out this and see what it's doing. Okay, it's going to print out each loop now. This is what it's matching. Then it's just replace. So you can see it's matching each bifurcation that it's found. Bifurcation being 2 node labels. Now these start off as terminal labels, but as these are progressively pulled out, I'm just replacing it with internal with this single string. But it still keeps pulling them out. It keeps matching them, and eventually there's nothing left, and this is all that's left of that string here. So at this point, so we can have a conditional here. Just to check the length of this. So say 20 characters. Less than 20 characters is fine. If it's over this, then we've got a problem with the string because it's tried to pull out bifurcation and there's a bunch of stuff left, which means it's either all unbalanced or maybe there's polytomes in there. So this should not invoke that error. But if we run it on the tree, which was processed with a bug, then it should give that error. So let's make this incorrectly process. Well, we tried to process it and just made a basic mistake and pulled out a lot of the close brackets, so it's unbalanced. So this should now give us an error message, and when we run the script, check terminals, and here it is. Good. Okay, I think that's job done. Let's just make this message a bit more clearer. Okay, fine. So we've got a new check for if we make some mistakes in processing source trees, and we fixed this little bug here also. Fine. Okay. Job done. Okay, job done. Simple job today, and until next time.